Hello, you 12s. Today I'd like to talk to you about a load of rubbish, particularly the Waste Avoidance and Resource Recovery Strategy 2030, which is West Australia's waste strategy. You need to remember the name of this because you need to be specific when you talk about strategies for waste management. As always, the syllabus dot points are the range of planning strategies that have been used to address each of the four selected challenges, this one being waste management, and how these compare with or have been informed by responses implemented in other places, both inside and outside Australia. The extent to which the planning strategies have been informed by the concept of sustainability, and if you see that word, you need to examine the three pillars. The strategies adopted in the selected place to address these challenges, and the extent to which these strategies have enhanced its sustainability and livability. So this is the vision, objectives, targets and headline strategies. West Australia will become a sustainable, low-waste, circular economy in which human health and the environment are protected from the impacts of waste. What they mean by circular economy is that we reuse rather than putting things in landfill. So we're going to avoid generating waste. We're going to recover as much of the value and resources from waste that we can, and we're going to protect the environment by managing waste responsibly. And there are some targets there. By 2025, a 10% reduction in waste generation per capita. By 2030, a 20%. By 2025, increase material recovery to 70%. That's pretty ambitious, I think. 2030, increase material recovery to 75%, and from 2020, recover energy only from residual waste. I think they mean 2050 then, 2030, sorry. 2030, no more than 15% of waste generated in Perth and Peel is landfilled, and 2030, all waste is managed and disposed to better practice facilities. So I think they're talking about the waste to energy idea there. This PowerPoint is on your space page, so you can come back and read those strategies as part of what we're doing. So what's the issue? The issue is that West Australia's per capita or per person waste generation rates are higher compared with other places, and our recovery rates are lower. This poor performance partly reflects some of the unique characteristics of WA, such as our geographical size, isolation from markets. So over east, all the states and territories can send their recycling, for example, to one central place, and that when we're talking about economies of scale that's worth doing, we've only got ourselves. We have vast regional and remote areas, and we have a heavy reliance on the mineral and resource industries. Despite this, there are significant opportunities to improve our waste and recycling practices and performance. So the issue is we've got a lot of land, so it's kind of tempting to use landfill, but we know that that is not what we should be doing. We're also geographically remote, so most country towns, as Taya and Georgia will tell you, have their own tip. And that's not really how we want to be disposing of our waste. So just to reiterate, we want to generate less waste, so avoid. We want to recover more waste, and we want to protect our environment from waste. And those are just a repetition of those targets. You've already had a look at this when we went on our field trip. So I think you understand it, but maybe make sure that you can discuss it in a extended response type situation. So this is the waste to energy video that you can watch. Probably wouldn't hurt to have a look at it again. And this is super cool and worth a look at. This is in, I think it's in Copenhagen. So that is really worth looking at. So that's what I would like you to do today. I'm sorry I'm not there with you, but I'm on field trip, and I look forward to seeing you when I get back.